What's up, mi gente? Today we are going to be making some stuffed biscuits for breakfast. We'll start by cracking our eggs, adding on some seasoned salt, giving it a good mix with some garlic powder, and begin to whisk. Now we'll start by chopping up our favorite sliced honey ham. Take out your garlic butter, put them into a pan, start to saute them, and add on our eggs and begin to scramble. Now let's take those biscuits out one by one. We'll begin to flatten up these biscuits one by hand as best as you can. Flip them over, do the same thing on each side. You'll see me repeat this technique so that you guys can see exactly how I flatten them out really well. When you have a nice enough consistency and thickness, then I started to add on my scrambled eggs and the cheese desired. Now repeat these same steps for every single biscuit. I'll show you guys how I do it once more before moving on. Now fold all your ends towards the middle in order to form a nice tight bun. And now that they're all nice and closed up like this, we are going to be popping them in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. At the 4-minute mark, I decided to melt some of that garlic butter and pour it over every single one of our biscuits and allow them to continue to bake for the other 4 minutes. And after 8 minutes, look at these. They are baked to perfection, golden brown. Let's take a look at the inside. Look at that cheese just oozing away. I absolutely love this recipe. If you guys enjoyed it and you guys decide to make it at home, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Catch you guys next time.